Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Now we will write a short composition on the rainbow. Most of us might have seen a rainbow. The rainbow is very fascinating for all of us. 7 colors spread across the sky in an arc form. Now the rain has to come, the sun has to shine for us to see the rainbow. The sunlight pierces the raindrops and through almost like a prism, and you see the 7 colors spread in the sky. Very, very fascinating. And they also say the rainbow, according to the biblical language. The rainbow is a hope for all mankind. The rain is over, it's going to come again. And all of us love the rain. So we'll write a small composition on the rainbow. The rainbow is seldom seen in the sky. So we stop to take a good look at it. All of us, both young and old. The rainbow. The rainbow seldom appears in the sky. So it's not a very regular, just like you see the moon and the sun, the rainbow seldom appears in the sky. So what happened? It's something very pleasurable for us to look at. People stare at the beautiful rainbow when they look at it. So you can say people gaze. People gaze at the rainbow. People gaze at the rainbow when they see it. Okay? People gaze at it in awe, in happiness. The rainbows are rare, and people always welcome the sight of a rainbow. Then it is true that we have rainbows do not come very often, and they are uncommon. The rainbows do not come. People gaze at the rainbow when they see it. It is an uncommon thing in the sky. Means it doesn't come up regularly. It appears in the sky when the sun is shining and it is raining. So there need to be sunshine and rain. So people gaze at the rainbow when they see it. It is an uncommon thing in the sky. It appears in the sky. It appears in the sky in the sky when the sun is shining. When the sun is shining. And it is raining. So there should be sun and rain. And it is raining. And it is raining. It appears in the sky when the sun is shining and it is raining. A perfect arc. A perfect arc or half a circle of light, lovely colors appears in the sky. So it appears in the sky when the sun is shining and it's raining. A perfect arc or half a circle or half circle of light, of lovely colors. A perfect arc or half circle of light of lovely colors appears in the sky. Rainbow. The rainbow seldom appears in the sky. People gaze at the rainbow when they see it. It is an uncommon thing in the sky. It appears in the sky when the sun is shining and it is raining. A perfect arc or half circle of light of lovely colors appears in the sky. When it appears, someone is sure to cry with pleasure, "Oh, look at the rainbow!" And it looks so beautiful. Now, we look at the rainbow until as the rain stops or the sun is hidden. So, until then, we go on looking at it. So, what is the shape? Half a circle or a small perfect arc appears in the sky. Now, we look at it until we look at the rainbow until we look at it until the rain stops, until the rain stops. And the sun is hidden by the cloud. So we look at it until the rain stops or the sun is hidden behind the clouds or sun is hidden by a cloud. Okay, so a perfect arc or a half circle of light, lovely colors appears in the sky. We look at it until the rain stops or the sun is hidden by a cloud. Okay, now after this, the rainbow fades away. Okay, so rain stops and the sun is hidden by the clouds. Then the rainbow. Soon the rainbow fades away. Soon the rainbow fades away. So the sun is shining from behind hidden cloud, and the rain is there, and the rainbow is seen, and then you see soon the rainbow fades away slowly. Now, what is a rainbow actually? It is a piece of three-sided crystal through which a beam of light is passed, isn't it? Now, the light comes out in 7 colors. So, rainbow, it has 7 colors, and children love to see it. The rainbow has 7 colors. And what are those colors? They're violet, indigo, blue, then green, yellow, orange, and red. These are the 7 colors of the rainbow. The rainbow has 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So these are the colors of the rainbow. We can never see a rainbow unless it is raining, when the sun is shining, and it will fade away as the rain stops. Now, this is the colors of the rainbow. Children love to look at a beautiful rainbow. The rainbow is a sign of hope. They say, when you look at the rainbow, if you hope for something, you get it. The rainbow is a sign of hope. The rainbow is a sign of hope. It's a sign of hope. Perhaps people think it is the way because the rainbow generally appears toward the end of the rain. Okay, it's a sign of hope. It always appears, it always comes after the rain. Always comes after the rain. It always comes after the rain. It tells us that the rain is almost over. It tells us that the rain is almost over. So it comes after the rain because it tells us that the rain is almost over. And it will come soon. And soon it will be fine again. Okay, now, so this is a small composition on the rainbow. The rainbow seldom appears in the sky. People gaze at the rainbow when they see it. It is an uncommon thing in the sky. It appears in the sky when the sun is shining and it is raining. A perfect arc or half circle of light of lovely colors appears in the sky. We look at it until the rain stops or the sun is hidden behind the cloud. Soon the rainbow fades away. The rainbow has 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Children love to look at a beautiful rainbow. The rainbow is a sign of hope. It always comes after the rain. It tells us that rain is almost over and it may come again.